Take a ride in the 2026 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, four-wheel drive, turbocharged, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, power retractable running boards, tow hitch, bed liner, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.